Hi everybody, this is day 2 of the first week. I have explained this when I was meeting you guys and explained the syllabus at the beginning of the semester, but I'm going to reiterate this. So our lesson recording will be found under CSC online website and go to resources. Okay, in resources you will find the lessons, and under that each week you're gonna see the new recording, and each week also you're gonna get homework. The homework is the discussion that we're gonna do, so it will be found under forum in CSC online. Okay, so you need to answer your own, you need to post your own answers to my questions. Then you need to respond to at least 2 different classmates posts as well. Okay, so it's gonna be consistent in that way, unless I tell you differently. Okay, so the first lesson for this week is about what is mathematics, what is doing mathematics. Okay, so I would ask you to bring a sheet of paper. You can always pause the video in the middle of, the lessons. I would ask you to pause the video and then replay when you are done that task. Okay, so bring a sheet of paper and draw a picture of a person doing mathematics. What does that mean to you, doing mathematics? Draw that. You can of course pause this video, and after you finish drawing a person doing mathematics, I want you to look at elementary students drawing about doing mathematics. So this drawing is about my person is doing some worksheets. So to this student doing mathematics is doing some math worksheet. What do you think about that? And this person's drawing is about doing mathematics is a girl answering the mixed questions on the board that have been written by her teachers. So it's like a classroom, and the student is called out to the front to answer some questions that is written by the teachers. So it's representing the mathematics classroom. In this student's picture is about a person here in the podium, and there's a blackboard or whiteboard and some math questions were written there, right? And this student explained this is about addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. So to me it seems like this person is a teacher, and she's doing the lecture about addition, subtraction, division, or multiplication. What do you think? And this picture is, there's a description. This person is comparing a small box for $1.20 and a large box for $1.40. Using math, she works out which is a better value. So this person thinks that math can be applied to real world situation, like comparing the prices. Right? So this is about mathematics as an application in the real world situations. And this one is saying this person is an architect. He's designing using math. So it's about an application of mathematics as well. So architect uses mathematics to design the construction, right? So it's another good thing about the mathematics application. And this one, Jessica K is doing star jumps on the trampoline. She really likes it. She's counting. To me, it's like this young student really enjoys counting, and math is not boring thing, it's fun thing, right? So yeah, math is just something that you can enjoy. So compare your drawing with one of these students' drawing and talk about it. Okay? So choose one student's picture and talk about it. At the beginning, you drew your own picture about doing mathematics. So talk about that first, then choose one student's picture and talk about that. So what does it mean to do mathematics? We saw a lot of different representations about doing mathematics by the young students, right? Some experts are talking about doing mathematics is this: generating strategies for solving problems, applying those approaches, seeing if they lead to solutions, and checking to see whether your answers make sense. That's connected to the students' representation as well, the students' drawing as well, right? So some students drew the pictures of doing mathematics as how to solve the problems, like real-world situations, comparing the prices, and applying those approaches, and seeing if they lead to solutions, and checking to see whether your answers make sense, right? Doing mathematics in classrooms should closely model the act of doing mathematics in the real world. So here is one invitation that I want to do to you. Okay, so in this doing mathematics activity, we're gonna do some finding patterns. So start and jump numbers activity is searching for patterns. Do you like patterns? I love patterns. So here we're gonna do start and jump numbers. So we're gonna start from number 3. So on your sheet of paper, please write down number 3 is the beginning number. That's the start number. Then jump number is 5, which means you're gonna jump 5 from number 3. You may use number line if you prefer to do so. So start from number 3, you can jump 5 to the right and land on, yes, 8, right? So you're gonna write down the number as the list, 3, 8, then jump 5 more. Where do you land? 13, and jump 5 more, 18. So your number list is like 3, 8, 13, 18, and so on, right? You can also use a 100 chart if you prefer to do so. So on your paper, you're gonna have list of number like 3, 8, 13, 18, 23. Starting from 3, jump 5, 5 more, 8, 5 more, 13, 5 more, 18, 5 more, 23, 5 more, 28, 5 more, 33, and so on. Extend your list to about 130. Okay, pause the video and write down the numbers up to like 130. Then examine this list of numbers and record the patterns you see. What do you see? What kind of patterns do you notice? Write all them down. Okay? And here are some questions to guide your pattern search. So when you are finding your pattern, when you're examining the pattern on the list of the numbers you have, think about these prompts. Do you see at least one alternating pattern? Have you looked at odd and even numbers? What can you say about the numbers in the tens place? Have you tried doing any adding up numbers? Numbers in the list? Digits in the numbers? Do the patterns change when the numbers are greater than 100?